Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be putting a glass screen protector on my replacement GoPro that I got for $8. Let's begin. This is how the packaging looks. GoPro Hero 7 Black 2018, Hero 6, Hero 5. Cool packaging. And it also comes with lens caps. 2 lens caps so you can cover your lens if you travel with it. And you get 6 packs, I think. How much do you get? Wait. How much do you get? Wait. Well, you get 2 of these, and then get wipes. Stickers. This might be the lens, and then this is the screen. You get 2 packs. Alright, let's do it. This one already has this kind of screen protector. I don't think I need to clean it. It goes like that. Think so. This sticker helps to remove the most. Okay. Oh, that is cool. That's clean. Because this already has a screen protector, it's already clean. I don't really need to clean it again. That's why I left it on until I got the screen protector. Pretty easy to put on. The lens cap is gonna be good because I can travel with it. Okay. Oh, that is good. That's good. Okay, the screen protector is good. You hardly notice it because it's so flat with the edge. It's so nice. And then I'll probably leave this on because this got scratched last time and they don't have screen protectors for the screen. And then let's put the lens cap on. And that's it. And you got protected. It's good. So yeah, that's the video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and see you in the next video. And by the way, I'll put it in the links below what the screen protector is called. So yeah, peace out.